Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 Harley-Davidson Heritage SOFTAIL Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2010 Harley-Davidson Heritage SOFTAIL Classic with 15,218 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers and LED headlight, LED passing lamps, smoke turn signals, smoke fender lamps, chrome switch housings and switches, chrome passenger floorboard covers, passenger floorboards, axle caps, an intake cover, a timing cover, a brake pedal, shifter peg, and grips. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Heritage puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Heritage has a 150 to 200 mile range. It has a 25.4 inch seat height and a 699 pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a quieter exhaust. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 8/30 seconds. We did not take this bike for a test ride, but our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. The exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the fuel tank and a scrape and a dent on the headlight. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.